Your thumbnail has less than a second to grab attention as viewers scroll through YouTube. Most creators make their thumbnails too complicated, and viewers scroll right past without clicking. Here's how TubeBuddy's thumbnail analyzer shows you exactly where viewers' eyes will land and which thumbnails will get more clicks. Go to your video details page in YouTube Studio. Scroll down and click Thumbnail Analyzer. Your current thumbnail loads automatically, and the heat map shows you exactly where viewers' eyes are drawn first. Want to see which thumbnail performs better? Upload at least one additional thumbnail. TubeBuddy's AI instantly gives you a prediction score, ranking each thumbnail option from most to least effective. You'll see exactly how much more effective each thumbnail is compared to your current one. The recommended thumbnail gets highlighted, but use your judgment since you know your audience best. Ready to make your choice? Click Use Selected Thumbnail to switch immediately. Still not sure? Hit Run A/B Test on thumbnails and let TubeBuddy automatically test them against each other with real viewers to see which one actually performs better. Stop guessing which thumbnails will work and start using data to choose the ones that actually get clicks.